A very quick one. Ekwuru m okwu maka video anyị ga-eme maka leta ndị Fulani detere. Ndị Fulani herdsmen detere na Irete. That they are coming. That ndị Irete should wait for them. You know? So that letter is here. Epestele me here. Nunu ga ahụ ihe adere nga. Know that they are coming. Fulani herdsmen, we are coming. This and that, we are coming for you. Bobo Tibo, you know? So, we made sure that the police heard this letter. We made sure that the police, Imo State Police Command, heard this letter. And thank God. And by the special grace of God, I want to tell you that the news I went now, what that the DPO, Obako, Ejidele, the two guys, as he pasted that thing, had a mother about paste, and on a machine, be a paste, and the mother chamber or burial, this thing can paste, you know. So, luckily, according to information I went now, that they deleted those people who paste here, and the press release from the PPRO, and we paste it here so that you people can also read peruse through the press release. But that is not to say that Ndi Irete should not guide themselves and protect themselves and defend themselves. That should not mean that Ndi Irete gaje relax is here. Si ebe jidere nde post through nde pestri na nde Fulani herdsmen ga apia. Wait for us. We are coming for you. Wait for us. Anytime, anyhow that they are coming. That doesn't mean that Ndi Irete ga relax. Nde pestri ha na nke ha ga relax. Biko the neighborhood vigilantes should wake up in Irete. Not just Irete. In and around Irete, Orogwe, Omogoma World Bank, Ohi. Ndani nebarebo krikri. Wake up, protect yourselves. Yes, police is negideleha. But don't rely on nasi negidelenda. Because someone they deal ha. And they motunda shabi oshi. They motunda shabi attack. Hanabia in 50s. 30s, 40s, hana kanka, hana ebu tebu ebu korokoro, when henda lele ebu, mama, mota, hana ebuchi abia. Amami na agota. So, yes, police yegidele ha, but do not rely on that information yet. Ndeni nebu Ndi Irete, ebe ni ne pestri ha. Be on guard. Be on guard. Security is everybody's business, not just police business. Secure your estate. Secure your village, secure your town. That is very, very important. That is very, very, very important. So we commend the DPO, and I needed to parade them. Yes, the PPRO equally that I got parade here. So I need the pastry this thing. We need to see their faces. Very important that we see their faces. Herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen. We need to see their faces. So PPRO Imo State, we are waiting to see the paradement or the parading, yes, of Ndoshin there. But when I herdsmen that wants to instigate fear in the heart and the minds of Ndi Irete. So we need to see them as you parade them. I need to read for their pictures and their videos. So we commend the DPO Obako for quick intervention. And also the police officer say, make sure that we commend you. This is wonderful. But yet, Onyobola, be on guard. Very, very important. Be on guard. Thank you.